Will Axie Infinity ever hit $200? There have been many price predictions out there, and many of them are saying that the coin can 10 to 50x by the end of 2025. With the price currently sitting at $17. In this video, we'll take a look at what the coin is, and the best price prediction by the end of the year. Now, let's get right to the video. Many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. But the coin's price will also be impacted by the crypto market's performance and the adoption rate of and efficiency of the coin. For many people to take any coin into consideration, first we have to look at what the foundational principle is for the coin, and some of the catalysts and things that have to go right for the coin to reach those 10 to 50x numbers and how realistic those price targets can be. And we'll also take a look at a very realistic price prediction for 2025. An overwhelming number of analysts believe that the coin could go well beyond its previous all-time high considering mass adoption, an increase in retail investors, and a combination of whale accumulation. The coin has not gained much popularity, yet despite its huge potential, it's regarded as one of the best cryptocurrencies to hold. First, in the coming years, the performance of the crypto market will have an impact on the coin's price. Considering the path of Bitcoin's price and the adoption rate following the implementation of network improvements. You also have to consider that we are now in a new era of cryptocurrency investments. Aside from the regular 3-year bear market to a 1-year bull market, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. So, what is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned and operated by its players. Inspired by popular games like Pokemon and Tamagotchi, Axie Infinity allows players to collect, breed, raise, battle and trade token-based creatures known as axies. These axies can take various forms, and there are more than 500 different body parts available, including aquatic, beast, bird, bug, plant and reptile parts. Parts from each type class come in 4 different rarity scales: common, rare, ultra-rare, and legendary, and axies can have any combination of body parts, making them highly variable and often rare and unique. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Each axie possesses 6 out of the hundreds of different potential body parts, each of which has its own battle move. This produces essentially endless variety among axies, with most axies having relatively weak statistics, while those with the strongest combination of body parts can have incredible stats. Unlike some other blockchain-based battling and breeding games, each axie can only be bred a total of 7 times to help control the population of axies. Axie Infinity has its own mating hub to help players find a suitable match to breed their axie with to stand the best chance at producing a rare or powerful offspring. It costs 0.005 ETH in addition to small love potion tokens to breed axies. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see a new all-time high of $200 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.